सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। So just close your eyes and please be seated. I'm going to chant. We're going to start the session with a Arogya mantra. நம்ம ஒரு ஆரோக்கிய மந்திரத்தோட நம்ம ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாம் இந்த செஷனை, which is basically for cleansing the system. So just close your eyes and see if you can just listen to the chant. Yeah. प्राणापानव्यानोदानसमानामे शुद्ध्यन्तां ज्योतिरहं विरजा विपाप्मा भूयासगस्वाहा। वाङ्मनश्चक्षुश्रोत्रजिह्वा घ्राणरेतु बुद्ध्याकूति संकल्पामे शुद्ध्यन्तां ज्योतिरहं विरजा विपाप्मा भूयासगस्वाहा। शिरः पाणिपादपार्श्वपृष्ठोदर जङ्घशिष्णु कस्थपावयमे मे शुद्ध्यन्तां ज्योतिरहं विरजा विपाप्मा भूयासगस्वाहा। त्वक्चर्ममागुंसरुधिरमेधोऽस्ति मज्जामे शुद्ध्यन्तां ज्योतिरहं विरजा विपाप्मा भूयासगस्वाहा। शब्दस्पर्शरूपरसगन्धामे शुद्ध्यन्तां ज्योतिरहं विरजा विपाप्मा भूयासगस्वाहा। पृथिव्यप्तेजो वायवाकाशामि शुद्ध्यन्तां ज्योतिरहं विरजा विपाप्मा भूयासगस्वाहा। अन्नमय प्राणमय मनोमय विज्ञानमयानन्दमयामि शुद्ध्यन्तां ज्योतिरहं विरजा विपाप्मा भूयासगस्वाहा। विविध्यै स्वाहा। घशोत्काय स्वाहा। उत्तिष्ठ पुरुष हरे लोहित पिंगलाक्षि देहि देहि ददा पैतामे शुद्ध्यन्ता ज्योतिरहं विरजा विपाप्मा भूया सग स्वाहा स्वाहा. Please continue to sit with your eyes closed. Just take a few breaths. Be with the vibrations of the chant and slowly open your eyes when you're ready. So once again, welcome everyone. Let's start with a small introduction as to what we are going to do today. So, nama health பத்தி பேசினோம்னா என்ன indications இருக்கும் நல்ல healthனா ideally there are a few definitions, but ஒன்னு என்ன சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா, if you get up in the morning with a lot of enthusiasm, something that pulls you out of your bed. It can be to play with your grandchildren. It can be to take a walk, or now, of course, you can't take a walk, but of course, on the terrace or wherever, a short practice that you guys have of your own. I'm sure most of you have now. Maybe cooking for some people, maybe work, maybe newspaper, whatever. I think that enthusiasm is very, very important. So the new definition for health is if you can find enthusiasm to somehow pull yourself out of the bed. Yeah. If you feel like not so great, you feel a little lethargic, there is always things that you can do. So the second thing we come to is breath. So that is another indicator about health. So when we look at health, if the breath is, say, short and shallow, then we say that we are not feeling so great, especially when we are going through emotions like anger, anxiety, depression, or you're not feeling so great, your breath is not that smooth. I'm sure most of you would have seen that. If you have not, please do make a note of that. Next time when you get angry or when you get a little anxious, do look into your breath. See how your breath is. So what we are going to do today is to help you to understand your breath. Okay, so when you see that there is a little bit of emotions coming up, things that are not helping, your breath is becoming shorter, enthusiasm is not as much as you would want it to be, then what can help is to get back to your breathing. So that is exactly what we are going to try and do today. All right. So again, please sit straight, back straight, shoulders relaxed. Yes. Eyes closed. See if you can just listen to my instructions and if you can breathe. Yeah. So I want you to take 6 breaths. Natural breathing. Inhaling, a gentle pause, and exhale. A gentle pause. So let's do 6 breaths like that to completely bring your focus to your breath and your body. If you feel you need to adjust your posture, please do so now. Check your shoulders, your arms, your legs, neck. Just check your head if it is in line with the spine as you are taking these 6 breaths. Two more breaths. Now what we are going to do is inhale, free. So they believe that this chest center, that is right at the bottom of the sternum, is supposed to be a very special place. Why special place? Because it is supposed to be an emotional center. Yeah, and scientifically speaking, we also breathe in better when we focus on this area and breathe in. So next what I want you to do is inhale into this area. Just slowly pause for a second and I want you to chant Om. Long and easy. Pause for a second. Let's try this. Another 6 more breaths, please. If you want, you can keep a finger or a couple of fingers there at the sternum. Inhale into the chest center. A gentle pause and chant. A gentle pause after complete chanting. Let's continue. 5 more breaths. Keep your breath as smooth and long as you can. Feel the opening of the chest with every inhale and complete relaxation with every exhale as you chant. Let the chanting be slightly louder so that you can connect with the vibrations of the chant. நீங்க inhale பண்றப்போ chest focus பண்ணி inhale பண்ணுங்க. Chant பண்றப்போ நீங்க please ஓம் chant பண்ணுங்க. Chant பண்றதுல கொஞ்சம் louder chant பண்ணீங்கன்னா அதோட vibrations உங்களால feel பண்ண முடியும். 6 breaths. Once you're done, please take a couple of breaths. As you are watching me do the next thing. So now what I'm going to do is on inhale, I'm only taking my head up. So inhale, again focusing on the chest center. Take your head up. And chant Om. And bring the chin all the way down as you chant. Yes? Can we try that, please? So please sit straight, shoulders relaxed, chin down. Now, if we can all inhale together, take the head up. Chant Om as you bring your head down. Pause. Inhale back again. Two more breaths, please. Inhale. One last time. Inhale. Very good. Take a breath. So we are going to do very simple movements with breathing. Coordinated breath coordinated movements is what we're going to try right now. Yeah, so that it can gradually take us towards a meditative practice. Yeah, so try to sit calmly. In case your mind wanders, just keep bringing it back to the breath. So you're inhaling again. Now this time we're going to use the arms as well. Inhale, open the arms up. Take your arms up, look up. Bring your head down and the arms down. Can we try that again, please? 5 more times. Inhale, open yourself out to receive that breath. Take your head up, look up. Now, what we are going to do, you just watch me as to what we are doing. Inhale, take the arms to shoulder level. And exhale, I'm twisting to one side. I'm bringing my palm to the opposite shoulder and looking back. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist and look back. So twist from your hip and not your shoulders. So Chitra ma'am, if you can bring your arm down, bring the other arm down, and twist from your hip. Okay, so inhale, arms to shoulder level, and exhale, twist from your hip and look back. Just wrap your arms around you on exhale. Inhale, center. Exhale, the other side. Inhale, center. Exhale, arms down, take a breath. Let's try that again. Now what we're going to do is inhale, nama kaiye ipdiye mele eduthu poporom, and exhale, bring the arms down from the front. Okay? Next inhale, we are taking the arms from the front, and exhale, draw a huge circle, bring your arms down from the side. Yeah? Try pannalama? Vaanga. Inhale, take your arms from the side. Get a good stretch. Exhale, arms down from the front. Very good. Inhale, arms up from the front. Get a good stretch. And exhale, arms down from the side. Very good. Can we try that 2 more times, please? Now what we are going to do is we're going to do a side stretch. Okay? So inhale, take the right arm up, and exhale, bend. No, the other way. Other way, sir. Towards, yes. So inhale, exhale, arms down. Okay, let's try the left now. Inhale, stretch nicely, take the left arm and stretch. Exhale, bend from the hip. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, arms down. Very good. Can we try that 3 more times? Yeah? Take a breath. So even at home, when you guys are practicing, neenga veetla practice பண்றப்ப கூட நல்லா stretch பண்ணுங்க, pause பண்ணுங்க, breathe பண்றப்போ chest open பண்ணுங்க, exhale பண்றப்போ நல்ல long exhalation பண்ணுங்க. Be aware of what is happening with your body and your breath. Yes? So now please take a breath. Relax. You want to take a sip of water, please do so. Palms down. Inhale. Opening the chest. Exhale. Relax. Yes, can we try that? So inhale into the chest. Exhale. Bend forward. Slide your palms along your legs. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. So now what we will do is we are going to do a chanting. Yeah. So the chanting goes like this. So I'm going to say this in English. We can even translate this a little later. Yeah. So inhaling using the gap between your teeth. Yeah. So there's a slight gap between the teeth. So into the heart center, the chest center, as you're inhaling, we are opening the arms out. And as you chant, you come back to the heart center. Okay? Because this is supposed to be a very, very special place. So we keep coming back, bringing all the energy back into the heart center. Now, what we are going to chant is a shloka, which is going to describe the human being. Okay, so we believe that there are 5 layers. So the first layer would be our physical self. So first, just bring, as I am talking, as I am going to chant, I'll be telling you as to what you need to bring your focus on. So first would be your physical body. Then we would focus on the breath level. Yeah. So when I'm chanting that, just feel like an onion. இப்போ ஆனியன் என்ன பண்றோம், நம்ம ஃபர்ஸ்ட் மேல் இருக்கிற லேயர் எடுத்து உள்ளே இருக்கிற நெக்ஸ்ட் லேயர்ல ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்றோம். Yes. Now the third layer would be your mind or the intellectual mind. Yeah. Then the fourth layer would be your intuitive mind, which is slightly deeper than your intellectual mind. Yes. And then the fifth layer would be complete bliss or happiness. Believe that anything and everything that we do needs to come from that space. That is why when you try and do something that you really love, it actually, you can feel the joy which comes from that space. Yes. So we are going to chant each line 3 times. Okay. So this is what, please sit comfortably and I'll show you what I mean 3 times. So I'm going to do the first one and the other 2 you can repeat after me. Watch the first one. So as you breathe in through the gap between the teeth, aham, aham, annam. Can you chant that please? Or just listen to me as I'm chanting 2 more times. Okay. Just focusing on the chest center. Inhale, open yourself out. Ma, aham, aham, annam. Bringing your focus to the physical body. One last time. Ma, aham, aham, annam. Now we move on to the next layer, which is the breath level. Yeah, so just watch me once. Inhale. Ma, aham, aham, pranam. 2 more times. Please do it along with me. Inhale, open the arms out. Ma, aham, aham, pranam. Focusing at the breath level. One last time. Inhale, open yourself to receive that breath. Ma, aham, aham, pranam. We move on to the next level now. So please listen to me first. We are inhaling. Ma, aham, aham, manaha. The intellectual mind. 2 more times. Let's do this together. Inhale, open yourself out to receive that breath. Ma, aham, aham, manaha. One last time. Ma, aham, aham, manaha. We move on to the next deeper level, which is the intuitive mind. So just watch me once. First, inhale. Ma, aham, aham, vijnanam. Let's do 2 more together. Inhale, open yourself out. Ma, aham, aham, vijnanam. One last time. Going into the intuitive mind. Inhale as deep as you can. Ma aham aham vijnanam. We move on to the next level, which is the bliss state or the ultimate happiness. You can watch me once. So we open yourself out. Ma aham aham anandam. Two more times. Let's do this together. Inhale, open yourself out. Ma aham aham anandam. One last time. Inhale from the state of bliss. Ma aham aham anandam. Now we are all these levels. So we are connecting to all the 5 levels. So just watch me once. Inhale. Ma aham aham sarvam. Let's do 2 more times. Inhale. Open yourself out and connect with all the 5 layers that belongs to you. Ma aham aham sarvam. One last time. Inhale. Ma aham aham sarvam. Now we move on to the next level, wherein we are recognizing ourselves the way we are. Yeah. Inhale, open yourself out and chant Ma aham aham aham. 2 more times. Let's do this together. Inhale. Ma aham aham aham. One last time. Inhale. Ma aham aham aham. So just sit quietly with your eyes closed, focusing on the chest center, connecting with the space of Anandam, complete bliss. Just sit with your eyes closed, focusing on that spot in the center of the chest, keeping the breath nice and smooth. In case the mind wanders, just keep bringing it back to the same spot. Feeling yourself completely engulfed, completely in the spot, in Anandam. Keeping the breath nice and calm. Keep connecting with that spot every time you inhale and you exhale. In case your mind wanders, just bring it back to the center of the chest. Try to connect to the meaning of Anandam, the ultimate bliss. Complete peace, feeling of lightness, in complete harmony with yourself. पृथिवी शान्तिः अन्तरिक्षगुं शान्तिः ध्याौ शान्तिः दिश शान्तिः अवान्तर दिशा शान्तिः अग्नि शान्तिः वायु शान्तिः आदित्य शान्तिः चन्द्रमा शान्तिः नक्षत्राणि शान्तिः आप शान्तिः ओषधय शान्तिः वनस्पतय शान्तिः गौ शान्तिः अज शान्तिः अश्व शान्तिः पुरुष शान्तिः ब्रह्म शान्तिः ब्राह्मण शान्तिः शान्तिरेव शान्तिः शान्ति मे अस्तु शान्तिः शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति